Good morning, dear students. Today we'll study adjectives. What are adjectives? To understand adjectives, let's read the following sentences. He is a tall boy. This dish is delicious. These apples are red. 15 students have been chosen for the play. In these sentences, tall, delicious, red, and 15 describe the noun and pronoun. Tall describes boy. Delicious describes dish. Red describes color of apples. 15 describes the number of students. So, we can say that an adjective is a word that is used to describe noun or a pronoun. Features of adjectives. Adjectives tell more about the kind, quantity, ownership of the noun or pronoun they describe or modify. Kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality indicate the quality of a noun. They answer the question what kind with respect to the noun or pronoun they describe. They indicate the shape, size, color of a person or thing. Example, the boy is intelligent. Japan is a developed country. Sarah is a beautiful girl. Nana has a black dog. Adjectives of quantity. These adjectives are measuring words that modify the noun. They answer the question how much. They are used with uncountable nouns. They indicate the quantity of the noun or pronoun they describe. Example, you have enough time to complete the work. She eats a whole apple daily. I ate some rice today. He has only little knowledge about this project. He cannot spend his all money over you. Adjective of number. These adjectives tells us how many people or things are being talked about. They answer the question how many or in what order. They are used with countable nouns. Some examples are many, several, ordinal numbers like third, fifth, and cardinals like 1, 2, etc. Examples. Every boy in the class can count to 100. There is one piece of pizza left. The first teacher to arrive was Mr. Paul. Could you bring me 40 paper clips? Demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives point out which person or thing is meant. They help in pointing out the thing or object meant. They answer the question which one or which ones. These adjectives are this, that, these, those, such, and certain. Examples, give me that blue water bottle. This time I won't fail you. I want those gorgeous marbles. These mangoes are rotting. Interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used along with nouns to ask questions. Interrogative adjectives are whose, what, and which. Examples, what time will you be arriving for dinner at our house? Which book is your favorite one out of this series? Do you know whose coat this is? Will you tell me which house belongs to the Cook family? Possessive adjectives. A possessive adjective shows possession or belonging. They answer the question whose. Possessive adjectives are whose, what, and which. Examples, my computer is not working. Your cycle has been stolen yesterday. Their favorite teacher did not come yesterday. Her thoughts are too complex.